So I've recently been having horn problems. I thought it was random and certainly intermittent. I just couldn't figure it out. Whoa there! Before you start ripping up fuses and buying new horn terminals, maybe consider it's a bad earth. The fix is easy and practically free. Grab your T20 Torx and remove the 3 screws from underneath the steering wheel. Gently prise off the plastic. I've attached a bit of old wire to here. Now this is quite crude, but it works. We're going to follow down the steering column to the moving section. Now to work here I need to give myself some more space, so I'm just going to remove a bit of trim and then the insulation. These pliers are such a basic tool, but what a purchase. It's going to help me remove these 3 plastic clips without damaging them. Now we've got the space, I'm going to grab a Jubilee clip and attach it to this bottom half. So do this however you want. Again, mine's quite crude, but you can do it neater if you need to. Jubilee clip attached, and as you can see I've given myself some extra wire. This just allows that to freely move without pulling, and it's going to be tucked up with the insulation anyway. And it's really that simple. That is now the horn grounded. Should we give it a bit of a test?
Merci beaucoup. Oui, baguette. Bisous.